Ready for 10,000 foot checks.
Okay. 10,000 checks. Bunk belts are on. Crew belts.
Lock left.
Set right.
Sun Country 30,
Speed
33,
good.
contact approach
Good.
125.32 today.
Confirmed.
2532, good day, 3033.
Copy.
Looking at music at or above 6K, 230 knots.
Copy. Okay, good start. Generator online. Waiting for bleeds. Hydraulic pumps 12 o'clock. Avionics are set for the approach.
Concur.
And temperature is already 19 and rising.
Concur. Okay, we're 230 knots. On track to hit music at 6,000 feet.
Copy. Leads are swapping.
Approach southwest 2934, flight level 1.
Leads are swapped. 10,000 complete.
Copy.
Whiskey.
The 2934 off approach, good afternoon, plane runway 36 left.
Alright, 36 left, southwest 2934.
Challenger 0 Mike Bravo, contact approach 125.32 today.
12532, 0 Mike Bravo. Houston approach, Challenger 150 Mike Bravo, 7,400 descending via the Wheelie 7.
0 Mike Bravo, Austin approach to flight present heading back to your approach and maintain 3,000.
Present heading 3,000 vectors for the approach, 0 Mike Bravo.
Sun Country 3033, turn right heading up 270.
Okay, I see heading mode, I see 3,000. So speed restrictions are not relevant anymore.
Concur.
Approach Justin 2686, 7.9 descent.
Southwest 2686, Austin approach, roger. Should stop, let me know.
Okay.
Southwest 2686, turn 5 degrees to the left, vector for your approach, send to maintain 3000.
5 left and 3000, Southwest 2686, about 255.
I've got
Thank you.
ghost needles.
Copy. See the airport, 1 o'clock? You can see the tower very clearly.
Visual tower.
Here's your Mike Bravo, send to maintain 2000.
2000, 0 Mike Bravo.
Sun Country 3033, Austin Airport, 2 to 3 o'clock, 7 miles.
Airport to site, Sun Country 3033.
Sun Country 3033, you're clear visual approach, runway 36 left.
Clear to visual 36 left, Sun Country 3033.
Two in the box.
Copy.
Sun Country 3033, contact Austin Tower, have a good one.
Over to tower, have a good day, Sun Country 3033.
One to go.
Copy. And traffic ahead, 12 o'clock on final.
Tally 1. Visual no factor.
Copy.
Leveling off at 2K.
Roger.
Slowing down to 210 knots.
Roger, birds, no factor.
Challenger 0 Mike Bravo, flight 270.
270, 0 Mike Bravo.
Project such at 434, descending 9.4 from 5000, expecting 36 right.
This is 434, Austin approach, roger.
And 0 Mike Bravo, airport in sight.
0 Mike Bravo, roger, thanks. Turn to final, about 3 more miles.
Copy.
Everyone 50 Mike Bravo, flighting 325, clear visual approach, runway 36 right, and contact Austin Tower.
325, clear visual, 36 right, switching tower, 0 Mike Bravo. 325 in the heading and clear visual.
Southwest 2686,
Concur.
2000.
Flaps 20.
2000, we broke
coming in.
out about
And what's heading again? 325.
325.
Coming in 325.
I mean, you can basically turn whatever you want. It's clear for the visual.
right, clear for takeoff.
Wait, 040, clear for takeoff to the top upper.
There's a 9561 Victor, Austin turning 36 right, line of way.
Line up and wait for 36 right, 9561 Victor.
Austin Tower, Challenger 150, Mike Bravo, 6 mile final, 36 right, parking signature.
Challenger 150, Mike Bravo, Austin turning 36 right, continue, traffic in position, reduce your final approach speed.
Drop the gear.
36 right, continue, dropping final approach speed, 0 Mike Bravo. Dropping gear down.
As soon as we get 3 in the green, flaps full, please.
Got it. Gear down, 3 greens, flaps coming down.
Cessna
36 right,
Turn
36 right.
rating 060, correction, turn
you.
rating 06 running 36 right, clear for takeoff.
Yeah, we flew right through there.
Yep.
Do me a favor.
36 right, clear for
Flaps are full. Go through the landing
Of
checks.
course.
Challenger
Thank
0,
you.
Mike Bravo, the wind's 310 at 7 running 36 right, clear to land.
36 right, clear to land, 0 Mike Bravo. Gear down, 3 greens,
3 in the green.
flaps 30.
Got 30.
Landing clearance we do have, and lights are all on for landing checklist
Slightly
complete.
below glide slope and corrected.
Number 6 Hotel
Copy.
Papa, heading 040, contact departure.
040, contact departure, have a good day, to the left.
All right, one more time. 1, 2, 3 down and green. Flaps are 30. Confirm lights are on.
They are on.
And 36 right.
Is yes.
Sun Country 3033, right turn Golf, ground 121.9.
Right turn Golf, ground 0.9, Sun Country 3033.
Howdy Tower, Southwest 2686, right dog leg for runway 36 left. Southwest 2686, Austin Tower, runway 36 left, clear to land. Clear to land 36 left, Southwest 2686. This is 61 Victor. Amend your heading to heading 020 and remain this frequency, please.
All right, we're on glide slope.
020, hold, maintenance frequency 9561 Victor.
Minimums.
Tower Hawk 202, takeoff.
100.
Roger.
130.
50. 40.
That was
30.
45, 59 Austin,
20.
Tower 36 right,
10.
line up away.
36 right, line up and wait, southwest 4559.
Spoilers deployed. Reverser is green. 100 knots. $80 knots. Next one is Juliet to the left, and then Alpha.
200 Mike Bravo, left turn Juliet, ground 121.9.
Left Juliet, 0.9 Mike Bravo.
All right, turn left on
Yes, Juliet, and then I'm switching ground. And COM 2.
That was 45, 59, fighting 350, need 3 strike, clear for takeoff. At 350,
Okay, instructions on ground.
clear for takeoff, that was 45, 59.
Ground Challenger 150 Mike Bravo is off. 36 right on Juliet to signature.
Challenger 0 Mike Bravo, Southwest is giving way to you, taxi on the ramp via Bravo Lima.
Southwest giving way, Bravo Lima, 0 Mike Bravo. Okay, straight ahead, and then left on Bravo, and the Southwest is waiting for us.
Copy that. I see him.
Copy. Flaps fault, I'm resetting. Fault is gone.
Copy. Thanks for getting my eyes on the
Of course.
right runway. I was staring at the tower,
Gotcha.
trying to figure out where we were on glide slope, so thought that was a good recovery.
Yep.
Have you been at this FBO before?
No, first time.
Okay. Looks like it's going to be off Kilo.
Lima, he said. Bravo Lima.
Okay, one more.
Yes. Yeah, that's Atlantic here, and then signature should be the next one over there.
Yeah, I see it.
Is that a T?
Just looking at that.
But is that a 45 or a 38 or something?
That looks like a 45, man. Maybe a little too big, though. That looks like a T-45.
Yeah, right on Bravo.
ground,
Oh, sorry, Lima.
2686 off of Golf, going to the Golf 12.
Southwest 2686 off the ground, taxi on the ramp via Golf 2, contact the ramp at Golf 2.
Golf 2, contact ramp Golf 2, Southwest 2686.
Alright, taxi lights off. Bang can go right. That's good.
I know, my man.
No, copy.
I like to go in the middle of planes.
Gotcha.
If I can. All right.